Hello, today in this video I'm going to show you how to search Science Direct from Orange Coast College Library. We're going to start with Google and type in Orange Coast College Library. We're likely to be the first results, so we're going to click on that one. From here we're going to click Databases A to Z. Here you can click on the S for Science or just scroll down. I'll go ahead and click on the S, and we can see Science Direct is the fourth result here. From here, you can search in these little boxes. If you know the exact volume and issue and pages, you can put that in there, but typically you're not going to really know that, so you're just going to put in keywords. And you can do this like you would with almost any other database. These are science-oriented articles. So keep that in mind. You're not going to really find things about, say, English literature as much in this. But if you are looking for a topic that is STEM related, you're more likely to find that here. Okay. So I'm just going to put climate change to start with. Probably we're going to need to narrow this down, but we'll do that for now, and we'll click the magnifying glass. As you can see, we got 7,000 or so results. All of these are not ones that you would be able to view, but what we can do to change that is to click Refine By and click the box that says Subscribe Journals, and now you'll see that that lowers to 500,000 or so results. If you don't do that, you'll need to look for the green dot on the articles and the download PDF link. You can also refine by publication year, article type, publication title, etc. One thing to know with article type, these are primarily journals and journal articles, so you're not really going to find magazines or newspapers in this database. One other thing to note, you really don't want to use book reviews in your papers. In college level, book review is not really considered something that you would want to cite, so you can either keep track of that as you go or just click on, say, review articles and research articles to narrow down and just take those out. Okay. Now this is still a lot to go through. This is 500,000 results still, so you may need to narrow it down. You can add the word and then you can add in some kind of way to narrow your topic, like maybe you want to look at how climate change affects extinction rates. So I can type the word extinction in there and click my magnifying glass, and that's going to narrow it down. So you can see now we have 48,000 instead of 500,000 results. One downside of that is that you do need to redo your filters that we did. So we're going to go back to subscribe journals as a filter. Now we have 30,000 results. And we're also going to go back and reselect review articles and research articles. Okay, so now that we've done that, if we want to actually read it, we can click on the title, and you'll have an abstract and then the actual article. One thing that you can do once you hit the article is click the Cite button, and from there you're going to click Export Citation to Text. And once you click that, it's going to open up a window for you to save the citation. If you want to reference this article later, you can view the PDF and download it that way. You can also copy this URL that's in the bar, and that should work. One other thing that we have available for this is this link, Download PDF. You can also click that, and it will take you directly to the PDF that way as well. If you have any questions about this particular database, please ask the friendly librarians for help.